As the deer, I just do a lot of gentle strumming down. The idea is still down, down with a few upstrokes in between. Down, 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 down. So that down, 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 up, down is the basic idea. I've always got like a basic strumming, but I sometimes add a bit more, or sometimes I go quiet and I just do gentle down rakes. I don't want to play the same dynamic all the way through, so sometimes vary it with rakes, sometimes a cappella. A cappella means voices only, your guitar goes quiet, one verse a cappella, and then you start strumming again. Those variances make for lovely congregational singing because it's always interesting.